If you use fabric color for lino printing on fabric, I'm gonna show you the way I clean my lino stamps. As you may know, fabric color, which is water-based, dry very fast and you should clean it soon. There are two modes. First, you have just one lino block and you quickly print it. Second, you have several lino stamps and you want to print all of them at the same time with fabric color. Therefore, the initial stamps dry faster. Let's go to the first mode. In this case, as soon as you finish printing, hold the lino block under the water and brush it with a soft toothbrush. Then wash it with a detergent such as hand washing liquid. Finally, put the lino block on the paper to remove the excess water and dry it with a piece of cloth. Before we go to the second mode, if this video is helpful, please like it. And the second mode, before I start printing, I bring a flat container. Here, I use the plastic egg container. I cut the flat side. Then I spray a small amount of water inside it, as much as only the surface of the lino stamp is in contact with water. After each printing, I put the stamp and the water in the container and print the rest of the stamps. At the end of printing, bring your soft toothbrush for brushing the lino stamp. As you can see, in this way, just a little color stays on the surface of the lino, and it's very easy to clean. Finally, as before, dry the lino stamp with a piece of cloth.